Ready?
Alright, these are the elevators here at the JCPenney store at Monmouth Mall in Eatontown, New Jersey.
I think that one, no it isn't, and it's not deactivated. It's this one.
Alright. Right car.
Yep.
These used to be Montgomery's.
Yep. But Kone KSS 500, or as I'd like to call EcoDisc, modernized them. 3. Yep.
Let's listen to the motor.
Gabriel, turn your iPod off. One.
Alright, here we are at 3. Motion activated lighting. How do you like that?
Here's another special feature. When they modernize this, they put the indicator on the back here.
Yep, because that's what Innovation did when they upgraded the fixtures in the 1990s.
You'd never expect Kone to EcoDisc to do that.
These were originally installed in 1975, I believe,
But it's
to be condemned in October. Now I'll send this one up so I can get the other one.
alright. Alright, we'll wait out here for you.
Alright, and there goes that one. Hopefully I won't get a copyright strike because there's loud music playing.
I just gotta talk over the music. Just gotta talk over the music.
That's right. This
I'm
one's
guessing
coming
you
down.
said that. And I'll wait down here for you.
Alright.
Because I only wanted to ride one of these. Oh, Nicholas, this is
Oh, it is working.
Yeah. I thought it wasn't at first, but the indicator was just blurred out.
I thought so too. That's why I never really cared for Kone. You guys coming up?
No, we'll wait down here. Not me.
Identical to the other one. First time I ever rode these, and probably, no doubt, the last time, the only time. These were originally Montgomery's from 1975, modernized by Kone in, I believe, 2012, I'm not sure. If anybody remembers when these were modernized, please put that in the comments below. I can't resist going for another ride. Going up. Have a nice day, folks. This is just sad. That one's going up. Called this one. It's really a shame that this store is closing. Alright. There it goes, and that's it.